because of this 2 for $6 deal, partly because of our unending passion for Greek flavors. But mostly the deal. Arby's, we have the meat. For sandwiches.
Hold on.
For accenting the heck out of that wall, you deserve the sweet one with Diet Dr. Pepper.
That is sweet.
So sweet.
Are you leaving already?
Oh, yeah. Diet Dr. Pepper. It's the sweet one.
These folks, they don't have time to go to the post office. They have businesses to grow, customers to care for, lives to get home to. They use Stamps.com. Print discounted postage for any letter, any package, anytime, right from your computer. All of the amazing services of the post office, only cheaper. Get our special TV offer, a 4-week trial plus postage and a digital scale. Go to Stamps.com/try and never go to the post office again.
Who in life means the most to you? How do you protect her, or him, or them? With Haven Life, you get term life insurance that's actually simple. Our process is online. Our policy is backed by Mass Mutual, an industry leader. And our rate, well, frankly, it's probably more affordable than you think. Ready for peace of mind? Text us now and get your real rate. USA gets real on Tuesday nights. First on Visit, then on the Kids Home, then the Chrisley Kids